All right, let's get this engine seated. Ready? Here's the wrench. Perfect. Torque it down. Closing it up now. This rust is coming off clean. Look at that shine underneath. Welcome back to the shop. Check out our restored 65 Mustang. We use powder coating for a superior durable finish. It's a game changer for restoration. For this Mustang restoration, we're using this authentic OEM part. It fits perfectly, just like the original. Just a drop to prime it. Now it's ready for the line. All right, time for the big reveal. Check out this beauty. The platform really shows it off.